Hello and welcome to unbiased review of QuickPass Live reviews. Let's check, is this website a legit or a scam? We are here to make your purchase decision easy and simple. This is a homepage of this website. You can check these beautiful items. There are other items also like dresses. You can see these beautiful dresses for a newly being mother. These are beautiful. You can showcase it in your mirror. Now stepping forward towards return policy. This website takes 30 days after returning your refund. After your request will be assigned by this website. Once they receive your return request, they will allow 3 to 6 business days to proceed your amount. If they are not notified within 3 days, you will no longer qualify for a return. For more further inquiry, you can check this address, email ID and contact details. Now moving to the privacy concern things. This website takes care of your personal information, cookies, tracking your information, use your personal information, email address, children's online policy, disclosure of your personal information, disclosure of service providers, law enforcement and law disclosure, and there are many points, you can check it out. Now moving to the terms of service. Acceptance of terms of service and amendments. Your responsibility and registration obligations. Privacy policy. Registration and password. Refund policy. Submission of content and masterclub.com. Pricing in different currencies. Indemnification. Limitation of liabilities. Reservation of rights. And there are many more. Now moving to the shipping information. This website provides you the fast and free shipping on all orders over $100. All orders are shipped out within 1 business days. That is, arrive within 8 to 16 days at your doorstep. This is the contact us page. where this website had asked you for the personal information, that is name, email address, and message for further inquiry. Now moving to the conclusion of the website, as it seems a scam. This website don't have a proper relevant content of the product discrimination and product information. So I personally suggest not to buy with this website as it seems scam. If you want to get rid of those scams, kindly hit the bell icon for more updates and also like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Your comments will also let us know the feedback about the videos and the reviews of those websites. We are here to help you out to make your purchase decision smooth and simple. So kindly like this video or please comment on a below section. Have a nice day. Thank you.